Hi friends, in this video we will see the copy command which is used in the Docker container. So as already we know the use of copy command, what copy does. Copy just copies one file from one location to another location. So this same thing applies here. Suppose we are having any file in our host operating system and we want to copy that file from host operating system to the container. So how can we copy it? So there is an option for that. We can use cp means copy command to copy any file or any directory from our host operating system to any of the container. So how can we do it? So let me show you practically. So as we can see, we don't have any Docker container. So let me create one container. So now one container is there. Okay. So let me go inside this container. Docker exec command is there to go inside the container, and I must have to assign any command. Okay. Now I am inside the container. Now see what are the files are there. No files are there. cd tmp. Inside the tmp I am not able to view any files. Okay. So what I will do, I will just copy any of the file from my host operating system. This is my host operating system to this container. Okay. So first let me create any file. Let me create any file with the name of Devops G only. Devops G, which is my account name. So let's insert me any message. Let's try the practical of copy command. Okay. So you can view the message. So this is the message. I had just created one file with the name of Devops G, and inside that I have kept the message. Let's try the practical of copy command. Okay. This file is present in my host operating system. I want to transfer this file, copy this file from a host operating system to this container. Okay. So how can I do this? So let me first run the command docker ps. So this is the container ID. Inside this container ID I want to copy. So docker cp. Now I have to give the file name. So my file name is Devops G, and I have to copy inside the container, inside the temp directory. Okay. See what this means. Docker command, you know, everywhere we have to use Docker command. cp is to copy. Devops G is the name of my file which is existing in my host machine, and I want to copy this file from here to the container having the container ID and inside the tmp directory. So see, I entered the command. Already I am inside this. Now see, you are able to view this file. If I will give create devops, see the same file has been copied from here, from our host operating system to the container. Okay. Vice versa also we can do. Now we have seen how can we copy a file from our host operating system to the container. Now what I will do, let me remove this file. I am just removing this file. Now you can't be able to see this file anymore. Now what I will do, I will do the reverse option. Means I will pull the file, or I will copy the file from container to the host operating system. So how will I do that? Docker cp. This is the first command. Now from where I have to copy? First I have to give the source, then I have to give the destination. So my source will be this container ID, and inside this container ID one temp directory is there, and inside the temp directory devops _ g is there. This is the file present inside the container, inside the temp directory. This file I want to copy to my current directory. I have given the dot. Dot means current directory. So let me enter. See, the message I am getting is Docker copy, no response from dollar, no such file directory is there. Now let me see why they have thrown such error. So ls is the file name is okay. See, what is the error? Actually, the file name is different. Devops G I have written, but in the O you can see O is small. So I have to give caps O. So now again I am running. See, if I will give the ls, then I am getting this error. Sorry, I am getting this file. So you can see that I did the vice versa way also. Means in first case what I did, I copied my file from the host operating system to the container. And in the second step what I did, I copied the file from container to the host operating system. So in both the ways I had shown you, we are able to do. So this is what the copy command does. Okay. So we have seen the copy command. Now again, in my previous video, I forgot one thing to explain you. Docker PSC. How we used to run any container. Docker run command is there. Okay. Docker run command is there. But the next thing which comes in the mind is -rm option is also there. What -rm says? Okay, let me write. Yeah. What -rm says? See, -rm means you are instructing to Docker that Docker please run this container, please bring up this container, but make sure whenever the container goes down, whenever the container stops, you just run this command. Are you getting my point? Again I am repeating. You are instructing to the Docker that Docker please run this container, and whenever the container is stopped, then you should run this command. This is for the RM, means just remove that container. Remove that container from our database, from our Docker engine. So see, Docker PS. So sorry. See what error we got? We haven't used any of the -i, -t, -d, any option we haven't used. So what happened? Immediately that container came up, immediately it gone down. And as we have used -rm command, so whenever it went down, immediately it has been removed from our stopped list as well. See, if I am giving a Docker ps-a, then also I am not able to view that container. Because see, and try to understand, this is the good concept. What is happening? When I run this command Docker run Ubuntu, in that scenario what happens? Docker creates a container and immediately it goes down as no background process runs. But here as we are using -rm command, so it says that whenever the Docker container gets stopped or gets down, just remove that container and do nothing. So what I will do, additionally I will do -itd. I for interactive mode, T for TTY or terminal, and D is for detached or background process. So see what happened. Docker PS. Already one container has been created for the Ubuntu image, which is created 3 seconds ago. So what I want to show you that this container is created and this is up. But whenever I will stop this container, immediately it will be removed. Immediately -rm command will be run. So I am going to stop this container. See, please notice here. Whenever I will stop this container, it will not go in the Docker ps-a directory. Means it will not be anywhere. Immediately it will be removed. I stopped the container. If I have given Docker ps-a also, you are not able to view that container with the cc84. See, because what happened, whenever I stopped the container, -rm option came into the picture and it has removed the container from our Docker engine. Okay, so this is the word concept of docker rm and copy command. These two things we have learned in this video. So in the next upcoming video we will see further more details for the container. So we did the practical of copy command. Similarly we did vice versa as well. I have how can we kill the images with the by killing the process ID already that I have shown you. How can we remove the container? Already all this done. Guys, I am going to upload this document in my Devops G Facebook group page. So I am requesting you all to please do the practical as well while watching this video. Only watching or listening this lecture is not going to help you. Please do the practical as well. And if you want this document or these notes, then you can go to the Facebook page, Facebook group of Devops G, and from there you can download all the documents. All the documents I am going to upload it over there. Okay, so this is sufficient for this video. I will come up with more in the next video. Okay, bye bye.